peeps. Couldn't do all of the work the other day, so I come back now, come fix that drainage now, because I throw some of this in it. See, it make the water go down slowly, but see there, the issue not solved. So obviously there is a block up in the drainage pipe. See, so there is a block up somewhere in the line here. See me? So it come with a bung, see bung right so. So I go pull it and rod it out. See, it can look like, see which part the sink where the water come in. So there's somewhere right so. I feel it's somewhere right so the blockage there. Or somewhere in the right so. So I'm going to pull this, get a piece of wire and rod it out. Because I don't think it goes so far. Somewhere right so block. So I'm going to pull this right here now. See, I set the bin. Set the bin under it. I record it now, so I don't know if I will be able to swing me and pull it. I'm going to use a vice grip. See, I'm going to use a vice grip and hold right so and pull it. So I don't have a tripod, so I can't swim me though. So I'm going to pause the video, pull it and then come back to you. Okay. Alright, I get a few turn on it. Get a few turn on it so I can use my hand, you know. So that almost pull it up to right here. See it? I get a car with a car left over on. See me? You can look up your see there? All light run out. See me? See it now? So that I go and something the black up. See me? So you still have some little black in there, see you see? So it have a rod out there, so the water runs up on a black part. See that? See, so some black in the line, so I get a rod, a piece of wire, and push down like, you want to smell how it think it's run. So I'm going to pause it because I never get the wire yet. So I'm going to pause the video now, go look piece of wire and come back from this. Alright, peace, I forgot to go and run down when I do it, you know. But actually I done the work already. So I'm going to get this sort out, you know. Yeah man, I sort it out and we wait the kind of black up. So I'm going to clear it up. So I'm partially ready for the guests, you know. Yeah man, the guests can come in and do them thing, you know. Oh, I'm showing you something again. I have a temporary fix for the door. I take off the door and put up this instead, put up a curtain. Yeah. I'm supposed to wash that tomorrow or later. So this is a temporary fix. Put up a curtain there instead. But eventually I gotta put a door there, but curtain have to go and work for the time being. Alright, so that are the temporary fix. Yeah, so kick out and on Airbnb ready. Oh shit. Ready for the guests coming. Alright, so get our light off now. Light off. I'm finished cleaning everything already done. We're done now. Out and we're out. Catching up on the rebound.